What's going on, you filthy animals? And happy holidays to you. On the eve of Turkey Day, gobble gobble, don't forget the intestines in the turkey. I actually did that once, and the family was like, wow, Gabe, such delicious meat. What the fuck is in the turkey? Because it's not stuffing, Gabe. Applejack, you remember when that happened, I'm sure.
I sure do remember that.
But now let's go ahead and look at the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ is master control button to pretty much everything tech related, right? What we're seeing here, and you guys remember yesterday, NASDAQ just took a bloodbath and then it ran back up. We see in this trend here, we are still in an upward trend. Ideally, we would like the NASDAQ to recover, but it is the holidays. Money managers and hedge funds and all those guys, they're thinking about the new HD TV they're going to pick up on Friday by a company they never heard of on sale at Walmart. Something like Obi-Wan TV. Go get me TV. You know, there's only going to be 3 there, guys, so don't even waste your time. Just order on Cyber Monday. That's just my advice for you. So, yes, we would like to see NASDAQ make that recovery. Now, what am I bullish on? Well, you guys remember a good old Dell? We had Dell computers when we were in junior high school and high school. I remember at least the big black ugly towers, right? All right, let's look at Dell here. Now, I jumped in and I bought a contract for $60 expiring January 21st of 2022. I believe Dell has the potential to hit that strike. We already have a day's high of 57.30. With that being said, we have to understand what the hell is going on with Dell. Well, they just killed it. And, you know, tech has been killing it. We are now adjusting to a new post-COVID economy. And we will be relying on tech giants such as Dell and NVIDIA and AMD. And that's why analysts are so bullish on these companies. And their fourth quarter projections and their forward outlook is just amazing. So I just do not see Dell not able to reach at least 60 by January. More importantly, analysts have targets in the high 70s and 90s. This is an absolute buy. If you're going to buy the contract or you're going to buy the share, guys, it's a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about other companies such as NVIDIA and AMD. Now, remember, we talked about NASDAQ being the master control button. Let's go ahead and look at what's going on with NVIDIA here. And we see NVIDIA has broke below support. It's fighting. But what we also see here is RSI is attempting to find its way back to 50. And we see the MACD or the MACD. We see we are currently in a seller's cycle. And that's fine. If you got puts, you're going to make some money, but get out soon because NVIDIA is going to pop. It is going to surge. I currently have December 17th contracts at the 320 and 360 strike. Now, let's talk about Lucid because I love Lucid. In fact, Tesla, my car is still in the shop and we're still waiting for a harness. There's some ginormous harness to, yeah, very, very complicated. Now, that's on its way or maybe even back ordered. Let's go ahead and look at Lucid because if Tesla does not get my car fixed by the 26th as promised, I might have to bail and jump on over to Lucid. And I swear if I have that same problem again, you'll never see me on YouTube. So let's look at Lucid. Now, Lucid is doing all things right. We have the RSI above 50 showing strength. We have the MACD here currently in a buying cycle, and it wants to find itself at or above the 50 MA with the 50 period moving average, right? So we are on the minute chart. So, you know, the moving averages, guys, what a lot of people don't know is that the moving averages is relative to your interval. So if you're on the 1 minute chart, it's averaging the 50 minutes previous to it. Daily, 50 days previous to that. 4 hour, 54-hour periods previous to that. It really depends on how you are going to trade this, where you would use the 50 MA. With that being said, I am absolutely bullish on Lucid. I have a $60 strike for January 21st of 2022. And that will be all for me, Applejacks. Don't you find it annoying when it's a new year? You got to get used to writing a new year.
Well, actually, we barely write anyways, so it's actually typing the new year.
Yeah, you barely write because you really don't make big money yet, but I'm writing all the damn time. Who you think signs your checks? Anyways, guys, this is Gabe with Review Dork. Happy holidays. Peace.